Okay, hello guys. This is going to be a quick overview of everything we did for the last month. So there will be 4x4ing, all the highlights from the Transbucho and Waterfit series, and a lot more. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the video. Okay, yeah, I'm at the roaring sand again. I'm now going to my camera bag, and then I'm honestly gonna get as far away from this as I can. So wish me luck. Okay, it seems like I'm over the worst of it.